When you start RStudio, RStudio will launch an R session for you. The R session is associated with a working directory and an environment. By default, you will find all the files associated with your R session in the current working directory. For example, any project and associated files that you create in an R session will be found in the current working directory of the R session by default. To find out the current working directory of your R session, on the console, make a call to getWD function. GetWD stands for Get Working Directory. This function call does not require any argument. This is the path to the current working directory. Any project and files you create in this current session will be found in this working directory. If you like, you can change the working directory. You will use the setWD function to change the working directory of the current R session. The setWD function stands for Set Working Directory. The setWD function requires an argument. The argument is the path to the new working directory. You must provide that path within double quotes. This statement will set the working directory of the current R session to this path, which is the documents library on this computer. You are also provided a number of options on the session tab for working directory. You can set working directory to source file location. You can set working directory to file spin location. This is the file spin, and you can choose a directory you want to set as the working directory. If you click on the file spin, you can navigate the file system here, and you can set the current location as the working directory here. Note that although you can make any directory the working directory for your R session, you can only have one working directory at any given time until you change the working directory. Then any file you create will be located in the current working directory. I will now set the current working directory for this R session to the default working directory, which is the R_projects folder in the documents library. If you maintain the same working directory throughout an R session, then you will find all the files you created in that session in the same place.